Hey, what's up? In this video, I will show how you can create and host your website for free and how to use Elementor with WordPress to build great pages. Everything for free. So, with all said and done, let's get started. The first thing you have to do is search on Google for Pantheon, and you will see this result, Pantheon.io. This is the platform in which you can build your own websites for free. Now here you have to create your own account. So click on this icon here and you can connect with Google or log in with your email. I will connect with Google. Here you need to put your first and last name, select your country, your state, and click to continue. Close this box, and now we are already inside the platform. Here, as you can see, start a project. You just click to create a new site if you don't have one yet. If you already have one, you can migrate existing site, okay? But that's not the case now, so I will create a site and you can select the kind of site you want. I will select WordPress, which is the tool I adapted to use. Here you have to put your website name. I will write YouTube test, okay? And you cannot change this name after creating the website. I will choose a region for the website, United States. I will keep it there and click to continue. Now it's loading the dashboard and deploying the WordPress. And here we have it. The process is complete and it took around 3 minutes to finish everything. Now let's click on this button here. It's loading the dashboard. Now you have all these options here. You can click on Site Admin and then click to continue. And as you can see here above, it's the WordPress installation. You need to select the language. I will select English, of course. Here you have the site title, username, password, an email in case you lose your or forget your password. Okay, I filled some fields here. Because I'm using a weak password just to show you, I have to confirm use of weak password here. Now I will put my email. And you can also select here to discourage search engines from indexing this site. This is an option for you. I don't know if you want your website to appear on Google, for example, or in other search engines. I won't select this option and I will just click to install WordPress after putting my email here. Now you can see success, WordPress has been installed. And I will click to log in in my account, put the username and the password here and click to log in. Okay, here we have the WordPress dashboard and now we can go on pages and create our first page here of our website. We can choose a pattern if we want, but I will just close this box, add title here, and then click to publish. Now you can see the link here. You can copy it and paste to go to your page. And here we have it, our first page. Of course, there is nothing here yet, but now you can start editing your own website in the way it's best for you. And of course, for free, which is the best part. Now I will show how to install Elementor, which is very simple, and then use it to make it easier for you to build great pages. To install Elementor, first you have to go to your WordPress dashboard and you have to go here on plugins and click to add plugin. Then search for Elementor, and here we have it, Elementor Website Builder. Just click to install now and wait until it's installed and then click to activate it. And here you have the option to create an account on Elementor, but I will just skip, it's not necessary. Then you can just ignore this tab here and get back to your WordPress dashboard and then go on pages, add a new page here above, choose a title, then click to publish, and now you can click here to edit with with Elementor. And here we have it. Now you can start adding many elements here, like a container, and then inside this container you can add a heading if you want. This is a heading. You can click on this plus sign to add a new element, and for example add a YouTube video here. You can click here in structure to select the element you want to modify. And here on video, you can modify the link to put the YouTube video you want, or a video from another platform. For example, I copied the link to the last video I published on my channel, and here it is. So you can see it works. My video is here. I can change the visualization mode to tablet or mobile to see how people are going to see my page. And also click here on this eye icon to see the changes in the page. As you can see, my video is not here because I didn't publish the modifications. Now the modifications are published. I don't know why my video is not showing yet. Let me reload the page. Okay, here it is. So now you are free to do whatever you want with Elementor, you know, the free version, of course. There are things here that are only for people who pay for the pro version, but just the free version is very helpful. So you are hosting your website for free, and now you have a powerful tool to build great pages also for free. Then another helpful plugin you can install is a plugin to duplicate a page. When you go here on pages and look your pages, you will see that there is no option to duplicate a page. So if you want to keep the same design of a page you have already built, there is no way to duplicate without installing a plugin. Now let's go here in plugins and search for duplicate. Not here in installed, but in add plugin, sorry. Search for duplicate, and here you have this plugin called duplicate page. Click to install it. Now it's already installed. You have to activate, of course. Now you go to pages and you can see the option duplicate this. So now you have this option to duplicate a page you like. I will show you this working in practice, but first let me show how you can download a page from your website. Here I'm in my own website and I want to download this page. Then I just need to click here in this arrow and click to save as template. I put main page as the name. Now here I have main page, and I can click here in these 3 points and click to export. Okay, here I have the JSON file of the page. Now I can create a new page here just to show you. I put the name downloading page, publish it, edit with Elementor. And here inside the page, I can just drag and drop the file. So let me do this now. Can drag it here. And you will see this warning message about files that may contain malicious code. So you need to be sure that your file is free from any risk. And just click here to enable and import. Now you can see that the page was imported, but the format is very strange. I need to go on settings, I think. Yeah, here it is. And change the page layout to Elementor Canvas. Wait until it loads and click to publish. Now it's a little bit better. It's not perfect, so you will have to make some adjustments here. But this is how you can download and then upload a page to your own website. Now, let me show how to duplicate this page, which is very simple. We already have the plugin to do so. Then we go here on pages again and click to duplicate this. Now you can see that we have the name is the same. We will change that to do not confuse us. But you can see that it's still a draft. So here we have the copy. Okay, I will click to edit. Then I will just put copy here and click to publish. Now we can view the page and you can see that its content is the same. The URL is different, but the content here is the same. So now if you want a page with like the same design but different content, you can modify it, but starting with your own design. My design is not good because I'm not a designer and I'm not an expert in WordPress, but I know some useful things and tricks. Now I will show something which can happen with your website. Let me change the tab here. And as you are seeing, we have an error here, 530, site is frozen. And this can be because of inactivity. So if you don't access your website for many days, your website may get frozen. And to solve it is very simple. You just have to go on the dashboard of Pantheon, and then you are seeing here, website frozen. You can click here. Basically, I am in this sites list, okay? And here I click on the name of the website. And as you can see, we have an option here below to unfreeze site. Just click on it, and it's going to take some time to unfreeze your website. So 16 minutes later, the unfreeze site is still loading. I will try to reload my page here to see if it changed and nothing happened yet. I will try to reload this page here and then click again to unfreeze site. I don't know why it's taking so much time. Okay, now that I click it again, it worked. So I have to click here to continue. Oh my god, 404, unknown site. I don't know. Okay. Now it's showing the loading bar here to unfreeze my website. So I will wait until the process is completed. Okay, now it's completed, and I will go again to my page and click to reload it. Now it's already different. It's asking me to put my email and password here. I will just copy my domain and paste it on an incognito tab, click to continue, and here you can see that my website is again live. Of course, it's not the best design, I still need to improve it, but the problem is solved. So if your website gets frozen, you already know what to do, and that's it. Now I can visit the dashboard here, go here on site list, and you can see the status and active. So basically, this was the video. If you know more useful plugins, please write in the comments below. And please be aware that Pantheon is a free tool, but there is no guarantee for how much time this tool will still be free. Maybe in 1 year, you won't have this option anymore. So keep this in mind. And also because it's free, I don't know how secure your data is and for how much time you will be able to keep your website activated. So I recommend you to download all your pages and search for backup methods with WordPress to do not lose your stuff. Well, with all this said, now you can enjoy this free tool and build your at least initial website and host it for free. And then in the future, you may decide to use a paid plan with more guarantees. But for now, this is enough to have your initial website live. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please click on like and subscribe to the channel and write in the comments below any helpful suggestion you have and your feedback about this video. Thank you so much.